back to Executive Hausa Tutors channel, your number one place for learning Hausa language with fun. Our today's lesson is Hausa drinks vocabulary. This lesson will help you talk about your favorite drinks confidently in Hausa. Let's start. Common drinks in Hausa: ruwa, water, shayi, tea, kofi, coffee, madara, milk, ruwan 'ya'yan itace or lemo, juice, kunun aya, tiger nut drink, zobo, hibiscus drink. Examples: ina son ruwa, I want water, shayi na yana da zafi, my tea is hot, kofi na yayi daɗi, my coffee is delicious, madarar tayi sanyi, the milk is cold, lemon yana da daɗi, the juice is tasty, zobo yana da ɗanɗano mai daɗi, hibiscus drink has a nice taste. Other Hausa beverages: fura da nono, millet and milk drink, kunun gyaɗa, groundnut drink, ruwan kwakwa, coconut water. Examples: ina son shayi mai zafi, I want hot tea, ruwana yana da sanyi sosai, my water is very cold, fura da nono na da daɗi sosai, fura and milk is very tasty, ruwan kwakwa yana da sanyi, coconut water is refreshing. Let's go over the names of drinks and beverages again. Ruwa, water, shayi, tea, kofi, coffee, madara, milk, lemo, juice, kunun aya, tiger nut drink, zobo, hibiscus drink, fura da nono, millet and milk drink, kunun gyaɗa, groundnut drink, ruwan kwakwa, coconut water. Now, you can talk about your favorite drinks in Hausa. What is your favorite Hausa drink? With this, we have come to the end of our today's lesson. Let me know in the comment section what you would like me to teach you next. Thanks for joining us. Remember, learning Hausa language is fun. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. If you need any private Hausa lesson or any other Hausa services, please reach out to Executive Hausa Tutors page directly. See you next time. Bye-bye. Sai anjima.